Sunday, World Wide Web, what's going on? It's me, Marlon. Guys, it's a Sunday double header, right? So we're gonna continue, right? We're gonna continue talking about how to set up your own YouTube channel, how to create your own YouTube channel, guys. And as I mentioned earlier, and this will be very early on in the affiliate email list building lifestyle on the new channel. Um, because I want to stay in order, because one of the very first things you might want to do as an affiliate marketer, as an email marketer, as a marketer of any kind really, is to create your own YouTube channel. And so let's cover that. Let's get that out of the way, guys, right? And then as they are listed on the new channel, they'll be in sequential order. That way you guys can kind of just follow through the videos. If you want to set up your own YouTube channel, you can. We'll get into the list building. We'll talk about all those aspects of building your own list, right? And so I talk about YouTube because it's a great way to build your list, by the way, because you get a lot of generic, organic, free traffic. Okay, so I think everybody understands that. So let's move right into the video. Now, in the last video, I started talking about putting up or creating your own YouTube channel. I said we were going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel for beginners, basically. It's a tutorial. So what I did, just to have a little bit of fun, is on my older channel, my very first channel, which you guys are on now, or you will be on the actual new channel when you see this. But the point is, I changed the banner art out on this channel. So I got a new face for this channel. So I don't know if any of you guys paying any attention and you noticed that, but I did. And I just went on and used my Cash In with cashapp.com website to put on it, because that's another great way, hint, hint, to market and advertise subliminally, if you will. So anyway, guys, so what we're doing now, I went in and changed the art. I told you guys I was going to change it. And so I changed it on this page for this site. But you guys know I have several sites. So what I did was I went and created myself another header, and I told you guys I was going to change that header out on the new channel. And so that's what I did, guys. So on the new, right, the Cash App project, guys, this is the new channel, and you guys saw me kind of stumble through putting the channel art up, but I actually got it all done, guys. And so it didn't take me very long to do, by the way. You know, it's just a little process. Anyway, and so now I told you guys I was going to change that channel art out, and I did. And so the Cash In with Cash App, the Cash App project is brand new. It's my own product. I'm really, really proud. I'm happy to be able to make it available to anybody who's so inclined. And so that's what I'm excited about with that, but I'm still working on the channel. So we're going to go back just a little bit. And so if you guys, when you go to create your own YouTube channel, one of the things you want to do is the dimensions of these images, they have to be, wow, I can't remember what they got to be, but there's certain dimensions that you want them to be, so that when they appear on your channel, they actually populate the way you want them to populate. And I will tell you guys right now, I can create these. I have my own thumbnail creation software and all that stuff, but I don't like to do it, guys. So I'm going to tell you right now at the front door, you can have these banners, this channel art outsourced in a place known as Fiverr.com. Don't waste your time. It's a headache for you. Don't sweat it, guys, okay? Remember, I told you guys we can outsource almost anything when it comes to our business. And that's exactly what I did with this actual YouTube header, this channel art. I went over to Fiverr and I paid one of the people that provide these, what they call gigs, $10, and she did it for me in less than 1 day. Okay, so no excuses, guys. You can set up your own YouTube channel. You can have this kind of thing done. I did the same thing here. I'm not going to sweat it. I'm not going to do it, right? Because I don't have to. I don't need to. It's really inexpensive, and that's how we do that. Now, when you got your channel art all set up on your channel, now, guys, you can start getting creative, right? Because what you want to do is, depending on what your niche is you want to set your channel art up depending on that particular niche. Now, I'm talking about digital direct marketing, guys, okay? That's what it is. And look, I spell this digital. I'm in full form tonight, guys. That should be DI. That's okay. I'll change it, or she'll change it, because I have a certain number of revisions that I can actually have done. So the point is, depending on what your niche is, just set your channel art up based on that. Okay, we're talking about the Cash App project. Okay, in this video. So basically, every single opportunity, just about 80% of all the actual services and what you're going to be able to learn in the training inside of the Cash App project, you can you'll have resale rights to it. And so when you have those resale rights, guys, we're talking about replicated websites, you know what I mean, the whole 9 yards. And so you guys will be able to actually have your own replicated websites with everything that's inside the Cash App project. And then you'll actually be able to go out and get your domain names. We're going to cover all that cool stuff. But you can you know, set your channel up based around that, and you can extract your money through Cash App. You can do it through Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal as well. I even got a postal money order. You know, you can do that. But right now we're going to focus on Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal. Right. So anyway, once your channel is, you're starting to build it out. What you've done is you've gone inside that skeleton, that template that I actually showed you guys when we first started. It didn't have anything on it, and this one doesn't have much more. Right? Brand new, no videos, nothing. And so you want to get this all done, because once you do that, guys, in the customized channel is where you go to do it. That's where you go to upload that actual channel art, right? And so I showed you guys how to do that in the last video. And so I changed this out, and you guys can see when it came to this. Well, let me go to branding, and then you guys will see that's where I actually changed that out right there. Right now, you guys just saw like a trailer, and when you go to the layout, we're gonna cover that later, guys. But you'll see some, you know, if you guys have ever seen those channel trailers on any of my channels, there's a place to put them. And so when the channel's all tricked out, you guys will see some channel art, or not. I mean, I'm sorry, a trailer, and we'll cover that more. But the thing that you want to do next is you want to go up to the basic info inside of your channel, and you want to use a description, right? Basically, some keywords that are relevant to the site or your YouTube channel, okay? And so you guys can see I'm not finished with the actual description here, but I'm talking about simple systems, instructions, tools, resources, and training should be in here that you can deploy and make money with Cash App. You guys know the other payment processes you can use inside, but I'm not finished with the actual description. But you go down here and make sure you put some cool stuff, you know, a cool description in here, because that's going to help the search engines find you in your search, right? So I'm going to hit publish. I'm going to come back and I'm going to finish that later. But you want to make sure that you're inside your basic info, right? In the channel customization, you want to write something up inside of here. And you know, don't be shy, guys. Put as much information about your niche, that thing that you're talking about in terms of your YouTube channel, as you possibly can, right? Because this is your online real estate. This is, you know, you can build a list. Let's go back to the branding. You can build a list. You could take these actual little images right here too, guys. Let me go. Let's just go down and cover it. Or you can actually change these out. And if you're setting up your channel, you won't have anything inside here, right? So let's go ahead and let me show you guys how we do that. You hit change, or you will go to actually upload in your case, and you would come to your pictures. And I know you guys have thousands of pictures already uploaded on your hard drive. So you would click pictures, and then what you would do, again, if the computer ever wakes up, right? You will be able to go inside of here. Wow, my computer's really, it is really moving very, very slow, guys. Let me see what's going on with that. You know what I mean? I don't know what that is, but we're gonna go back up here and see can we change it out. And that's maybe just because my computer, I just looked and I see that it's actually buffering, so it's moving kind of slow because I have several windows open, and that's probably what that is. So let's go to my pictures, right? I'm gonna hit Marlon, and that should bring up some of my pictures, just in terms of that little piece of that little avatar or whatever you want to put on your you know, for in that place. So let me go here, because I think I want to try to use the avatar in this case, and I believe that's somewhere on the make, and it is. So I'm gonna double click my avatar, And that avatar, by the way, guys, let's hit done, is saved as a file on my desktop. And the file for this particular avatar, what I named it was how to make money with affiliate marketing. And that's another cool tip, right? Because that avatar can actually be found in the search as well, right? We're going to come over to the right and we're going to publish. And now we're going to go back to view the channel. It may not have populated as of yet, but it will, guys. YouTube's very, very busy. Very high-tech technology, but lots of people are on YouTube. So now you guys, you can see my little avatar. It corresponds with my actual picture, little avatar here. And so there's the clip art. And remember, you are in the customization of your channel now, right? So that's what you want to do. You want to go, make sure you go back to customize channel. Make sure you go to the description area when you're back inside of the customization of your channel, and make sure you throw, like I say, a cool blurb or description inside of your basic info, right inside here. And again, don't be shy. And then you go to branding, and if you want to upload your avatar or whatever personal pictures you want to put on your YouTube channel, you can. You guys know we went through the actual channel art, right? We did all those cool things. And so we can go back to the actual channel. We'll take a look at it. And then, guys, that will be the lesson for today for setting up a YouTube channel. Now, one of the other things I'm going to do, well, I was thinking about creating a playlist. I don't think I'm going to do that because these videos will be in sequential order. You guys can just follow along, because in the next video, guys, I'm going to start talking about uploading your channel trailer. If you want to do that, we're going to start talking about doing that. And then, guys, we're going to upload the very first video, right? And it'll be the actual first video that's going to appear inside of your members area, inside of the Cash App project, right? And you guys are going to like what I'm putting together here. This is really, really cool. It's a great way for you guys to actually create a model for your own product, if you think about it, because you can create your own products, guys. Don't fall for the banana in the tailpipe. If you can create a PDF, you can create your own product. If you can create a video and you got your own hosting somewhere, then you can create your own product. And so the cool thing about what's happening here is you can take what I'm already going to make available to you guys, and you can build upon that. And the cool thing is all the training is built into the actual product package. So you'll have all types of training that you can just build on, and then you can add your own spin to it by adding other services inside. Because again, we're talking about a PDF. You can create that in seconds, or have one created on Fiverr, or you could actually you'll see when it's all said and done how I'm actually doing this. But creating a product doesn't have to be a big deal, right? And you can give that thing away, right? We're giving things away for free, and in this instance, it can be training. And then inside of the PDF, right, you could have other additional services that you market and promote. And also, you can just build your own, you can just create your own PDF and use the existing training inside of the Cash App project, right? Lots of over-the-shoulder training on traffic and lead generation, all kinds of list build, all kinds of cool stuff. And then you can just build and piggyback and build your own product around that, right? It's really, 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 really cool. So in the next video, guys, we'll get back over to talking about that. I hope that this has made some sense to you guys. I hope that you guys are super pumped up and super excited. I hope that you guys are creating your own YouTube channel. Follow along, guys. We're going to keep on doing whatever's clever. I appreciate you guys. I hope that this video finds you guys in a great place on this Sunday night. And that's it. That is my time. Thanks so much for sitting in on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle with no limits. Keep rocking. I'll see you guys on the next video.